When I turn west, I watch the sun as she lays down in the ocean, pulling the night up. Then I look out and see the stars, each one